If you want to remove background from your photo on the Samsung Galaxy A27, all you have to do is we need to open the gallery. Then you want to choose the photo from which you want to remove the background. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. And then we're going to tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Now we're going to go to the circles. And then here we need to use the lasso option. Now we need to simply draw a shape around the object that we want to keep. There we go. And then we're gonna tap on next, and we have removed the background. You can also add the outline if you want to, and you can choose the color of the outline, although it is not of course necessary to do so, and we can tap on done. And next you can save your edited photo. You can either use the save option at the top, but this will replace the original photo. And if you want to keep the original photo and save this one separately, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose Save Copy. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.